Hey everyone, welcome back for another deep dive. Ready to, dive deep into some of the latest tech news.
Always ready to get into the weeds.
Today we're tackling Google's big announcement. You know the one?
Gemini 2.0?
Yeah, Gemini 2.0. We've been poring over articles, tech blogs, you name it. We even found some early user comments, got a feel for what people are saying on the ground, so to speak.
Definitely seems like the buzz is pretty significant on this one.
Absolutely. So, we're going to try to break it down. What's the big deal with this new AI? Is it all hype? Should you actually care?
Well, and that's the big question, isn't it? I mean, there are always new AI developments popping up, but this one feels, well, different.
Different how?
It's not just an incremental improvement, This feels like a fundamental shift, like maybe even a whole new way of interacting with AI.
Interesting. So let's start with one of the things that really jumped out at me, this whole multimodal thing. Gemini 2.0 can understand and create, like, everything. Text, images, audio, like, all from the get-go. What does that even mean, natively multimodal?
Well, it's about how the AI is built, fundamentally. In the past, AI models were kind of like separate specialists, one for text, one for images. But Gemini 2.0 is designed from the ground up to handle all these different types of information seamlessly.
Okay, so, like, practically speaking.
Practically speaking, imagine you're talking to your AI assistant, and as you're talking, it's pulling up relevant images. Or say you're brainstorming a jingle, and it can just like compose a little tune for you right there in the conversation.
No way. So we're talking next level communication, right?
Absolutely. And creativity, too. It's like removing the barriers between thinking and creating, in a way.
That's pretty wild.
Yeah.
But okay, there's something else that really got me thinking. This whole flash thinking concept.
Ah, yes. Now that's where it gets really intriguing.
Like Gemini 2.0 can actually show its work. It can show its thinking process.
Exactly. It's a big step beyond just giving you an answer. It's about transparency. Think about it. Instead of just spitting out a solution, Gemini 2.0 could walk you through its logic, step by step.
So, like, how does that work?
Imagine you ask, hey, why did you recommend this restaurant? And instead of just saying it has good reviews, Gemini 2.0 could actually break down the factors it considered. It's close to your current location, it fits your budget, it has a high rating for the type of cuisine you like, and so on.
Oh, wow. Okay. So it's not just about trusting the AI blindly. You can actually understand how it arrived at a conclusion.
Right, and that transparency can be huge for building trust. It makes AI feel less like a mysterious black box and more like a partner you can actually reason with.
Makes sense. Well, hold on. This is all great. Understanding different inputs, seeing its thinking process, but can it actually do things for us?
Now, that's where we get into the real game changer. This is about moving from AI assistants to AI agents.
AI agents. Okay, I'm intrigued.
Think of it as having a truly capable personal assistant, but digital. An AI agent that can not only understand your requests, but actually take action in the real world.
So we're talking like booking trips, scheduling appointments, things like that.
Exactly. Booking flights, managing your calendar, maybe even ordering groceries, all through natural conversation.
Wow. So instead of me having to juggle all these different apps, I could just tell Gemini, hey, book me a flight to Hawaii next week. And it just, like, does it.
Potentially, yes. And it's not just about convenience. Imagine the time and hassle this could save. It's about streamlining our lives and making things more efficient.
I'm already sold. But it gets even better, right? Because this isn't some standalone app. It's baked right into the Google services we use every day.
This is where the true power of Gemini 2.0 comes in. We're talking about a deeply integrated experience. Think about it. You're asking for directions. And instead of just showing you a route, Gemini 2.0 factors in real-time traffic, checks your calendar, maybe even suggests that coffee shop you love along the way.
Oh, that'd be amazing.
Right. It's about making those everyday tools we use actually intelligent and helpful.
And I read somewhere that it's supposed to be super fast and battery efficient, too.
Exactly. They've put a lot of work into optimizing performance. This isn't just some experimental technology. It's designed for real-world use on your phone right now.
So big picture, it sounds like Gemini 2.0 isn't just another update. It's a whole new way of thinking about AI.
Absolutely. And it really does raise some fascinating questions. If AI can now understand us better, learn from our preferences, and act on our behalf, what does that mean for the future?
Yeah, that's a big one.
How will it change how we work, how we create, even how we see ourselves? These are all questions worth considering as this technology continues to evolve.
No doubt. It's exciting, but I'd be lying if I said it wasn't a little bit unnerving, too.
Of course. It's a powerful technology, and with great power comes great responsibility, right? We need to be thoughtful about how we develop and use it.
Agreed. And that's where the conversation gets really interesting. So listeners, we want to hear from you. What excites you most about Gemini 2.0? What makes you nervous? Head over to our website or social media and let us know. Let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, keep exploring.
Keep exploring and